Hi folks, this is another Dave's Senior Moments. Pretty much got my new room all laid out, but I don't have my signs hung up in it yet, so I'll do an update on that a little bit later. But I want to do this memory of just an absolutely super country music singer, and it's Lacy J. Dalton. Now, she's not, she never did, make it to the popularity of like Dolly Parton or Tammy Wynette, but she was, and still is, absolutely one of the best country music singers that I have ever heard. Her music is just phenomenal. Those of you who remember her, and she's still performing, but those of you who know of her probably remember her song 16th Avenue is one of her biggest hits. And it's a great song, just super. But her rendition, she put out an album of Here's to Hank, singing Hank Williams songs. And I've been listening to country music my whole life, and I've never heard anybody do Hank Williams songs any better than she does. She has a whole album of I think there's 8 or 9 Hank Williams songs. And she just absolutely does a phenomenal job on them. So if you've never heard her sing Hank Williams songs, go to Alexa, if you have Alexa, and say Lacy J. Dalton, Hank Williams, and you'll hear her album. Or go to YouTube, type in Lacy J. Dalton, and you'll get so much information that comes up, and you'll have a list of all of her albums. Click on the one that's Here's to Hank. Listen to those songs; they'll knock you out. She just is phenomenal. And so anyway, I don't remember the date. I should have dated this sign.
Can you turn it this way? I want to zoom in a little bit more. No, the other way. There's quite a glare on it.
Yeah, this one you may notice, I painted the letters. On a lot of the signs, I haven't got around to painting the letters yet. But on this particular one, I did. And on the one I gave to her, I painted. She autographed this to me. And the autograph says, Dave, you're a real sweetheart and a wonderful artist. All my warmest love, Lacy J. Dalton, which I thought was a lot better than just scrolling their signature on there. So anyway, that's what I wanted to get across to you today. And if you've never listened to her albums, or if you want to, go to YouTube and type in Lacy J. Dalton, and you'll hear, and if you listen to her music, you'll hear music by one of the greatest country singers that come along in my lifetime. And that's all I wanted to share with you today. That's Dave's memory on my senior moment. So see you next time.